So, if you're new, my name is Amira. So, yeah, I'm going to be showing you some cool slime stuff. Boring, probably getting now boring for you, but don't worry. I'm going to post some ASMR video after this. So, change it up a little. And, yeah. So I'm just going to post this one, and I just wanted to let you know what I was going to be doing. So, yeah. Bye! And just to let you know, we need 4 more subscribers to get for me to be opening my Daiso Clay on camera. So come on guys, share it with everyone you know. And if we get even more, that's even more. Even more is better because I can do more stuff with you guys. So it's almost like points, think it as. So every one of you guys who subscribe to my channel is a point. And if you help people, you get another point. Think of it that way. So comment down below what kind of videos you would like me to see. And what videos you'd like to see me do. So yeah. Like I'm probably going to be doing ASMR videos, showing a dance move video, more singing videos, like stuff like that. Not just slime because you guys might get bored watching just slime. But anyway, yeah. Bye. Big hugs. Stay awesome.